Hello, welcome to LFonTV's kitchen, and today we'll be making some cranberry Christmas fudge. The ingredients you will need will be some dark chocolate, some white chocolate, some sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, cranberries, and cream cheese. The equipment you will need will be a spatula, some bowls, a tin, and some foil. First, you get your grease oil and then spray it into the tin foil you put in your pan. Next up, you get your bowl and your chocolate and then break up that chocolate in the bowl. Next up, you grab your condensed milk and then pour it into the bowl. And then you pop it into the microwave for a minute. Come on, I really don't like waiting. And they're done. And then you get your spatula and mix the chocolate and condensed milk together until it's well combined. If you can see the brown texture, this is the texture you are looking for, that oozy goozy chocolate. And then you add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then you mix that up again. And then you bring out your pan and then you just pour the fudge mixture into the pan. Be sure to flatten out the edges and then you move that aside. And then in another bowl you bring out your white chocolate and you break that as well. Microwave for 30 seconds and then stir. If it's needed more time, give it an extra 30 seconds. And now for a helpful hint. When melting white chocolate, have it on a lower temperature heat in the microwave because it burns too easily. And then you bring out your cream cheese. And then cut half of your cream cheese and put it into the bowl. And then you stir in the cream cheese, as this will help stay it soft once it is chilled. And then you get your cranberries, and then open them. And then you pour in half a cup and then you stir in the cranberries. And then you pour in your white chocolate cranberry mix and put it on top of your fudge. Once your fudge has been made, go put it in the fridge for about 3 hours. Well, it's been 3 hours. So then you take it out. I think it looks amazing. And then you cut them into square. These look good. Now I'm gonna go try a piece. Oh yeah, they're pretty good. Remember to hit the subscribe button and click on the notifications bell if you don't want to miss anything, and don't throw garbage in the ocean, and don't say mermaids aren't real, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!